Goes far on with travels, eh? Waggy-tailed dog. So another ride out this morning. It's about an hour outside of town, outside of Chiang Mai. Buatong waterfall, otherwise known as Sticky Waterfall, and that's because it's limestone. So I've been here before, not in a few years. So basically, you can see the photos up there, but I'll take you there in a sec. So it's called Sticky Waterfall because you got the water coming down, and you know, like usually you slip your ass and fucking over on that shit, but you can just walk up it like nothing. It's pretty bizarre. So I don't even know if it's open yet, but anyway, another nice morning, overcast, cool. All right, and here we are. Nice, isn't it? Nice. It's 10 to 9, so it's open at 8 AM. But I just realized I haven't got any cash on me, so unless they take a card, I'm not sure if I can enter. I'm like a dumb fuck. We're in the army now. Whoa, whoa, we're in the army now. Visitor center. Accidents. And it says at the bottom, accidents will not happen if you are careless. Kind of think you got that a little bit backwards, but okay. Guidelines for playing in the waterfall. Well, it's pretty fucking dead. I know it's kind of early, but yeah. I don't know whether they have more people coming here during the summer months, but anyway, still a beautiful place, huh? Very raw and picturesque. The waterfall looks like it's over this way. So years, probably 10 years, 9 or 10 years I came here. Pretty cool, huh? Cold Spring. Get away from all that noise. Get some peaceful time. To those birds. It looks like a picnic area or something down here. Very peaceful. I just had a slash just up here, and I looked over into the forest, and it kind of felt like something was watching me. It's a little bit bizarre. But yeah, look at this. I've got the whole place to myself. Brief story of Buatong Waterfall and Chet Sea Fountain. So pause if you want to read. The origin of the waterfall start from here. And look at this spring here. Beautiful. Look at the colour down there. Like diamonds and stuff, man. It's amazing. Minerals. How cool is that? Totally beautiful. This is a magical place for sure. I bet it looks miraculous when the sun is shining on it. Looks miraculous anyway. Yeah, like I just don't want to even like talk loud here. It's just so peaceful. I feel like if you talk loud, you'll break the ambience. But what a fantastic place. And yeah, I don't think I came down to this part the last time I came here. We were just so focused on walking up and down the waterfalls, for that bizarre feeling of thinking that you're going to slip on your ass, and you just, you know, it's the opposite. There's a tree that's fell over. What does this say? Wontong Waterfall is closed. Do not enter without permission. If anyone disobeys and gets an accident, the national park will not be responsible. So this looks like it's along here somewhere. Do not enter without permission. There's nobody here, but I wonder how far along it is. Yeah, and it looks like a very what's the word? Trafficked way with all the shrubs and the overgrown shit. So that's the place that I just went to, the spring, the Seven Colours Fountain. And they're telling you, much like they do with the Buddhist temples, that you got to dress a certain way, not like tourists like this, dressed and taking their shirts off and stuff. They don't like that shit. The old koi carp. Lovely jubbly. Look at a cool little doggy.